Hello everyone, this is Madhusudan, Commerce and Accountancy faculty. So I'm an experienced faculty of intermediate and degree CA फाउंडेशन. मेरा नाम मधुसूदन है. मैं कॉमर्स और अकाउंटेंसी फैकल्टी हूँ. बहुत सालों से मैं कॉमर्स और अकाउंटेंसी पढ़ता हूँ और कुछ स्टूडेंट्स अकाउंट्स में पास होने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल सामना करना पड़ रहा. So many students are facing a lot of problem to get pass marks in accountancy intermediate first year. So just we are having 4 problems, main important problems are there. अपन को 4 problems है, अच्छा सीखे तो अपन pass marks आराम से हासिल कर सकते. So we can get pass marks very easily by preparing 4 problems whatever comes in the examination. I only explain those 4 problems. You can practice them and I will give some important questions of commerce, just a few questions, 3 to 4 questions, that's all, and 2 marks questions and 10 marks for question, 5 marks question. give 5 मार्क का, 2 मार्क का, 10 मार्क का मैं तो बड़ा क्वेश्चंस दे तुम वो लोग पढ़े तो आप लोग पढ़े तो वो आराम से पास हो सकते. कुछ डरने का जरूरत नहीं. नो नीड टू अफ्राइड. जस्ट यू वॉच माय वीडियोस, just like, subscribe and share, that's all. That is enough to me. No need to pay to me anything. कुछ भी फीस देने का जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, so most of the students in Hyderabad basically mother tongue Hindi language is there, that's why I am explaining in Hindi and as well as English also. So that's why just 4 problems you can read, you can practice, and then only you can get pass marks very easily. Okay, so here now I am going to explain first ledger account and the question number 22 in your question. Total 32 questions will come in the examination of commerce and accountancy, and only accountancy part just you learn them 4 problems only you learn. You can watch my videos and daily half an hour you spend, then you can get very easily pass marks. No need to worry about it. Okay, so here, so total 32 questions are there. From 18th question up to 32 question, up to 17 question commerce is there. Up to 17 questions only commerce. And here 18th question to 32 questions are from accountancy. Just 4 problems. Just you spend half an hour every day. So at the time of examination, just 1 week you spend, then you will get pass marks surely. Okay, no doubt about it. So here now I am going to explain ledger account. Here it is very easy and simple way. You can see here, prepare Sudha account from the following. So 2 ledger problems are there. I will explain 2 ledger problems, and similar type of problems will come in the examination. Not same problem, similar type. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आपको आएंगे तो सेम क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते, सेम क्वेश्चन भी आ भी सकते. तो here Sudha account, instead of Sudha another name will come, and here amounts are there, amounts are going to change, that's all, but process is same, simple way I will explain. Okay, so prepare Sudha account from the following is given. Sudha is a person. Sudha is a person. You know, एक person है Sudha. So what Sudha is doing? She is the receiver or giver. Simple logic you can remember. So okay, Sudha, she is the person. If she is the receiver or she is the giver, 2 things you remember. Sudha is a person, and instead of Sudha any other name, Ramesh, Suresh, Sita, Geeta, Ramu, Rita, Bata, like that names are given. So Sudha is a person and she is the receiver or giver. Sudha leri ya deri. What Sudha is receiving, what Sudha is giving. Sudha kya leri, kya deri, wo dekhna apan. Bas simple logic hai. Okay, so now here 2 things are given starting. Amount due from, amount due to. So out of these 2 things any one thing will come in the exam. Amount due to नहीं तो amount due from, दोनों में से एक पूछते. अभी देखो इसमें अमाउंट ड्यू फ्रॉम है, अमाउंट ड्यू फ्रॉम, तो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर amount due from, one thing is there, and one more thing, amount due to, other thing. Out of these two things any one will come in the exam. दोनों में से एक पूछते, ड्यू फ्रॉम पूछते नहीं तो ड्यू टू, को सभी एक पूछते. ड्यू फ्रॉम डी, ड्यू टू सी, का मतलब है ड्यू फ्रॉम बोल तो डेबिट, ड्यू टू बोल तो क्रेडिट. ड्यू फ्रॉम बोल तो डेबिट में लिखना, ड्यू टू बोल तो क्रेडिट में लिखना. ड्यू फ्रॉम मीन्स वी हैव राइट डेबिट साइड, ड्यू टू मीन्स वी हैव राइट विच साइड, क्रेडिट साइड. డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ అంటే డెబిట్ సైడ్ రాయాలి, డ్యూ టు అంటే క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రాయాలి. సో డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ డెబిట్ సైడ్, డ్యూ టు క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. హియర్ డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ ఈస్ దేర్, డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ ఈస్ దేర్. Whose account we are preparing here? Sudha account. But ledger account we have to prepare, a table is there, I will explain. Just I am explaining this question first of all. Amount of due from Sudha. So due from means which side balance? Debit. So you can write here DR. DR means debit side. Simple. So now you leave it. First transaction, whatever may be given, due from is given, due to is given. If nothing is given, due from, due to, if it is not given, then don't think about this due from, due to. Due from, due to नहीं दिए थे उसके बारे में छोड़ दो. इवी ఇవ్వకపోతే దాని గురించి వదిలేసేయండి మీరు. So due from means debit side, due to means credit side, due from is given, that's why it is debit balance. That's all, simple logic. So we have to receive amount from Sudha. This is the already transactions are done between Sudha and us. ट्रांजेक्शन इससे पहले सुधा और अपने बीच में चले, और सुधा अपन को पैसे देने का है. कितना देने का है? 8,000 देने का है. अपन को आने का है पैसे, इसलिए डेबिट. अपन को देने का है तो क्रेडिट. మనకు రావాల్సి ఉంటే డెబిట్, మనం ఇవ్వవలసి ఉంటే క్రెడిట్. సో ద అమౌంట్ ఇఫ్ we have to receive, it should be recorded debit side. If the amount we have to pay to others, then we have to write credit side. Here due from is there. Due from means we have to receive, that's why it is debit balance. Debit balance. Now leave it. Now next transaction, 4th February, goods sold to Sudha. Here this rule will be applicable. So receiver, giver. Sudha is the receiver or giver, we have to think. Just leave the first one. So first one you think about this only, and from next transaction you have to follow this rule. Sudha is the receiver or giver. Sudha receiver है या giver है? Sudha receiver आ giver आ మనం చూసుకోవాలి. That's all. So here goods sold to Sudha. Who sold? We sold. Always think we are doing business. We are selling business. We are selling goods. Always we have to think we are selling goods. We are paying cash. We are receiving cash. We are doing everything. अपन इच पूरा कर ले रहे बोल के सोचना. Always we have to think we are doing everything. Simple. So here goods sold to Sudha. Who sold? We sold. To whom? Sudha. अपन सुधा को सेल करे थे, सुधा रिसीवर होती. सिंपल लॉजिक है. We sold goods to Sudha. Sudha is the receiver. Receiver means which side here? Debit side. Debit side. Giver means which side? Credit side. We have tried. Simple logic. Receiver means debit. Giver means credit. The person who receives benefit is the debtor. The person who gives benefit is the creditor. तो जो कोई रिसीव करे तो उसको डेबिट करना, जो कोई गिव करे तो उसको क्रेडिट करना. लेकिन पहले ट्रांजैक्शन को ये रूल से अप्लाई कर लेना अपन. We have to apply this rule of this amount due from, due to is given. We have to apply this rule. Otherwise, and here we have to follow this one. Sudha is the receiver or giver. Simple logic. We sold goods to Sudha. Sudha is the receiver. Sudha is the receiver. That's why it is also debit. It is also debit side. Next, goods returned by Sudha. Goods returned by Sudha. Sudha से रिटर्न आया अपन को. Sudha నుండి మనకి goods return వచ్చేసినాయి. She is not satisfied with the goods which are sold by us. अपन Sudha को सेल करे goods, उनको satisfy नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने अपन को रिटर्न करे. Then she is the giver. So here we sold goods to Sudha. She is the receiver. When she returned goods to us, she is the giver. Giver means which side? Credit side. Simple. So then it is the credit. It is the credit. Okay. Next, cash received from Sudha. Who received? We received. Always think about us. We are doing, we are receiving, we are paying. Everything we are doing. अपन इच पूरा कर ले रे बोल के सोचना, మనమే అన్ని చేస్తున్నామని అనుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ క్యాష్ రిసీవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ సుధా. హూ రిసీవ్డ్? వి రిసీవ్డ్. ఫ్రమ్ హూమ్? సుధా. సుధా నుండి క్యాష్ తీసుకున్నాం. अपन सुधा से कैश ले रहे. सुधा इज द गिवर. सुधा दे रही है अपन को. शी इज द गिवर. गिवर मीन्स विच साइड? क्रेडिट साइड. सिंपल. सीआर बोल के टिक कर लेना. नेक्स्ट, चेक रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम सुधा. हु रिसीव्ड? वी रिसीव्ड. फ्रॉम होम? सुधा. देन सुधा इज द गिवर अगेन. सुधा से अपन चेक ले रहे. अपन सुधा क्या कर रहे? दे रही अपन को. हमें चेक ఇస్తుంది మనకి కాబట్టి ఎట్ సైడ్ రాయాలి? క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. అగైన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్రెడిట్. చెక్ we received from Sudha. Sudha is the giver. Next, Sudha account settled with 10% discount. So this will explain after we are recording all the transactions in the table. This is a question. I explained this question. So answer should be like this. Answer कैसे करना? लेडजर का फॉर्मेट बना के करना. देखो अभी कैसा करते हैं. How to do? This is a format of ledger. So whose account we are preparing here? You see, whose account we are preparing? Sudha account. And here we are recording Sudha account. Whose account we are preparing? Sudha account. So we have write here Sudha account. And table should be like this. So debit side and it is credit side. Both sides are there here. Here debit side is there. Here credit side is there. Both sides are there, no? Debit and credit side, both sides are there. Okay. So here both sides are same columns are there. Date column, particulars column, LF number column, debit rupees column. Same date column, particulars column, LF number column, credit rupees column. So same sides, same columns we have to draw. दोनों तरफ same columns draw करना. రెండు వైపులా same columns మనం డ్రా చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది. So here first date column, particular column, LF number, debit rupees. Date column, particular column, LF number, credit rupees. After drawing the table, so debit side should be shown with 2, credit side should be shown with by. Okay. So now here you see, what is the first transaction? Amount due from Sudha. So which side we take it? Debit side. इस तरफ अपन टिक कर लिए, अपन ये डेबिट साइड टिक कर लिए. डेबिट साइड टिक कर लिए बोले तो डेबिट साइड लिखना. So if we record, if we tick which side, then that side we have to make the tick and we have to write that side. Okay. So here you see, amount due from Sudha and Sudha से अपन को आने का है. We have to receive from Sudha and which side balance here? Debit side balance. You see this one. So here two balance brought down. 8,000. If amount due to means by balance brought down అని credit side రాయాలి. So credit side by balance brought down बोल के लिखो. Amount due from बोल तो आने का है. Amount due to बोल तो जाने का है. Amount due from means we have to receive. Amount due to means we have to pay. Here due from is there. That's why we have to receive. That's why it is showing the side balance here, debit side. Due from debit, DR. DR means which side we have to write here? Debit side. Like this, two balance brought down. Like this we have to write 8,000 rupees. What is the amount is given in the question? That should be recorded 8,000 rupees. Okay. Now here, next one, goods sold to Sudha. We sold to Sudha. Then Sudha is the receiver. Receiver means which side we recorded here? Debit side. So debit side only. So debit side only we have to write here. Debit side. So what is the date here? 4th February. To sales account. So here we are preparing Sudha account. Don't write Sudha name in this table. अपन सुधा का अकाउंट प्रिपेयर कर रहे और సుధా का नाम ఏ టేబుల్ కి अंदर नहीं लिखना. సుధా అకౌంట్ తయారు చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి సుధా పేరును ఈ టేబుల్ లోపల రాయకూడదు. డోంట్ రైట్ సుధాస్ నేమ్. వాట్ షీ రిసీవ్స్, వాట్ షీ గివ్స్, దట్ షుడ్ బి రికార్డెడ్. సో హియర్ డెబిట్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ బ్రాట్ డౌన్ and next one what here? We sold to Sudha 11,000 rupees. So goods sold. So name of the goods are not there. That's why we have to write sales. That's why what we have to write here? Sales and royal. You have to write what here? Sales बोल के अपन लिखना. Okay. Now here you see here two sales account 11,000. Two sales account 11,000 we recorded. So here completed. Next one here goods returned by Sudha. Sudha is the giver. Returned by Sudha means giver. Giver means which side here? Credit side. So whenever we sold, those only she returned to us. That's why those are known as sales returns. अपन गुड्स इससे पहले सेल करे, इसलिए उनको अच्छा नहीं लगे तो अपन को रिटर्न कर रहे. सेल करे से गुड्स रिटर्न कर रहे वो लोग, इसलिए सुधा रिटर्न कर रही, इसलिए उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन? సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్ बोलते. మనం ఏవైతే సేల్స్ చేసామో ఆ గూడ్స్ ఆమెకు నచ్చకపోతే అవి వాపస్ చేస్తుంది మనకి. అసలు సేల్ చేసిన గూడ్స్ వాపస్ వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్ అంటాము. సో షీ ఈస్ ద గివర్. గివర్ మీన్స్ వి సైడ్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ రాయాలి. క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ అంటే రైట్ సైడ్. సో బై సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్ అని రాయాలి. బై సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్ అంతే. బై డేట్ రాయాలి. డేట్ కాలంలో డేట్, సేల్స్ రిటర్న్స్, ఎంత అమౌంట్ అది రాశారు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అమౌంట్ ఈస్ గివెన్, that should be recorded. That's all simple. Next, here cash received from Sudha. We received from Sudha. Sudha is the giver again. Giver means which side? Credit side. So credit side we tick no. Cash received from Sudha. So what we received here? Cash. This cash only we have to write. So credit side we have to write by cash. By cash. Date is 16. By cash. Amount is 3,000 rupees. Simple. Next, here received check from Sudha. Received check from Sudha. We received. She is again giver. उन्हों giver है. Credit लिखना. So credit side. So what is the amount? 6,000. Check. Check means we have to write to bank. Whenever the word check comes, check means we have to write what here? Bank. The word bank should be utilized. चेक अने वर्ड ఎక్కడ వచ్చినా అక్కడ बैंक అనే పదం యూజ్ చేయాలి. చెక్ कहीं भी आए तो उसके बदले में क्या लिखना अपन? बैंक बोल के लिखना पड़ता है. ओके, सो बैंक बोल के लिखना हो. So you can write as like bank here, like that. Okay, bank. So here check we received from Sudha. Sudha is the giver. Giver means again we have to write what here? Bank. Bank. By bank 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. Next, what here? Check received over, and after that Sudha account amount settled with 10% discount is there. So this one we have to do here. This one we have to do. So up to here, first one is we recorded, second one we recorded, third one recorded, fourth one recorded, fifth one recorded. So first of these two things are came beside debit side. दोनों किस तरफ आए? अपन को डेबिट में आए. बाकी के 1, 2, 3 किस तरफ आए? क्रेडिट में आए. ఫస్ట్ 2 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డెబిట్ వైపు రాసాము, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ క్రెడిట్ వైపు రాసాము. అంటే క్రెడిట్ వైపు కంపల్సరీ 2 ఫస్ట్ డెబిట్ రాయాలి, తర్వాత 3 క్రెడిట్ రాయాలని లేదు. నాట్ కంపల్సరీ. సో దట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్. సో ఫస్ట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ దే కేమ్ ఇన్ డెబిట్ సైడ్, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ కేమ్ ఇన్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. సో హియర్ గివర్ ఈస్ దేర్, దట్స్ వై దే కేమ్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ అప్ టు హియర్. సో యు సీ హియర్ డెబిట్ సైడ్. Debit side here, what are the amounts here? 8,000, and next one is 11,000. Total 19,000 is there. Total 19,000. Now credit side is just you whatever we record, those 3 items only we have to take. 1, 2, 3. So here 4,000, next 3,000, next 6,000. Only these items we recorded. So settlement amount, this one we have to do later. So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 6 13. Total 13,000. So you see, so here credit side is total 19,000. Sorry, debit side is total 19,000. Credit side is total 13,000. Which is greater figure? 19,000. Debit side 19,000 ఉంది, credit side 13,000 ఉంది. डेबिट साइड 19,000 है और क्रेडिट साइड में 13,000 है. कौन सा ज्यादा है? 19,000. डेबिट साइड इज मोर. दैट्स व्हाई फ्रॉम बिग अमाउंट स्मॉल अमाउंट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. सो 19,000 minus 13,000, remaining balance is how much here? 6,000. Remaining balance 6,000. So this is settled. This one we have to settle. Settled करें अपन. कैसा settle करें देखो. So how to settle? Question. You see the question. Sudha amount settled with 10% discount. What is the remaining balance? What is the difference balance between debit and credit? That should be settled. दोनों डेबिट और क्रेडिट में जो कुछ भी फर्क है अमाउंट, उसको सेटल कर रहे हैं अपन. डेबिट में पूरा 19,000 है, क्रेडिट में पूरा 13,000 है, दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना हो गया 6,000. సో బోత్ డిఫరెన్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ మనకి 6,000 చూపిస్తుంది. సో దిస్ అమౌంట్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సెటిల్ ఎలా చేయాలి? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆర్ రఫ్ వర్క్. ఓకే, యు సీ హియర్ discount 10% is given. So here discount 10% means here 6,000 into 10 by 100. You see here discount is given here. So the amount settled with 10% discount. 10% discount is given. 10% discount means how to do here? You see here. So the on remaining balance, जो बचे से अमाउंट के ऊपर डिस्काउंट करना. 10% means 10 by 100 we have tried. 10 by 100. 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. So what is the amount here? Discount 600 rupees. 600 rupees. That discount amount 600 we recorded here. तो ये ऊपर भी लिख सकते हैं, नीचे भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write up or maybe down. No need to worry about it. So discount amount is 600 we recorded here. And from 6,000 we have to minus 600. Then 5,400 will come. 6,000 में से 600 निकालना. निकाल तो कितना बच गया? 5,400. ये सेटलमेंट हो गया. अपन को 6,000 आने का है सुधा से. उसको अपन कितना डिस्काउंट दिया? अपन 600 दिए. We have received 6,000 from Sudha and we given discount to her 600. That's why. So what is the amount we received? Balance amount 5,400. This is a settlement. अपन को 6,000 आने का है तो 6,000 में 600 रुपए कम करके दे दिए. तो उन्होंने 5,400 अपन को पेमेंट करे. She paid to us 5,400. So this 5,400 we have write as a cash here 5,400. So this both total is 6,000. You see here 6,000. So 5,400 plus 600, how much here? 6,000. So 600 is discount and 5,400 is the settlement amount. So like that we have to do. This is the ledger account. It will come for 5 marks in the exam. It is the question number 22 question in the annual examination. In your question paper, it is question number 22. So 22 question एक पक्का ledger account आता अपन को. ये एक टाइप है और एक टाइप लेजर अकाउंट मैं बताता हूँ. क्यों बोलता हूँ? अमाउंट ड्यू फ्रॉम का बताया मैं, अमाउंट ड्यू टू का फिर बताता हूँ मैं. तो आई एक्सप्लेन अमाउंट ड्यू फ्रॉम एंड वन मोर प्रॉब्लम अमाउंट ड्यू टू is there. I will explain that. So I hope all of you understood this one. So you can watch my video and continuously 2-3 times. Then you can understand very easily. No need to worry about it. A simple logic is there. Receiver or giver. Receiver or giver. That's all. So you can take screenshot or anything and watch this. Now I'm going to explain one more problem of ledger account only. Same 22nd question only. So problem should be like that and like this. It will be also same. Both are same, but amount due from, amount due to. Just two logics are there here. So here you see amount due from. Due from means which side? Debit side. And amount due to means which side? Credit side. Due from D, due to C, credit side. Here previous problem Sudha account we prepared now. In that problem amount due from is there, debit balance is there. In this problem amount due to is there. You see due to means credit balance. Same Sudha account in this Swami account. We are preparing whose account here? Swami account. Swami is the person. Swami is the person. So here debit side receiver and credit side giver. If Swami is the receiver, we have to write debit side. If Swami is the giver, we have to write a credit side. Swami receiver है तो debit में लिखना, Swami giver है तो credit में लिखना. Same as usual like Sudha account. Sudha account अपन कैसे करें वैसे ही करना. How we did Sudha account, same manner we have to do. But in this only one thing is different. Amount due to is given. In previous problem Sudha account here. In previous problem Sudha account amount due from is given. Amount due from is given. But in this problem what is given here? amount due to C means which side balance? It is credit side balance. It is a credit side balance. Now you see next one, goods purchased from Swami. Who purchased here? We purchased from Swami. अपन goods खरीदे, మనం goods కొన్నాం. Then Swami is the giver. We purchase goods from whom? Swami. Swami is the giver to us. स्वामी से खरीदे अपन, इसलिए स्वामी अपन को दे रहा, इसलिए is a creditor. So credit is the giver. Credit is the giver. That's why we have write here credit side. Swami is the giver. That's why is the giver. And the Swami name should not be recorded. What he given, what he received, that amount, that one only we have write. మనం క్యా లేరా క్యా దియే ఓయి లిఖనా, అతను ఏం తీసుకుంటున్నాడు ఏం ఇస్తున్నాడు మాత్రమే రాయాలి. స్వామి ఖాతాలో స్వామి పేరు రాయకూడదు. స్వామి కే ఖాతా మే స్వామి కా నామ్ నహీ లిఖనా. Don't write Swami name in the Swami's account. Just you write heading. That's all. Okay. Next, goods returned to Swami. We returned to Swami. अपन रिटर्न करे स्वामी को. Why? We purchased from Swami and same goods whatever we did not satisfy with that we return to him. Then Swami is the receiver. Swami is the receiver means which side? Debit side. Then this is debit side. The purchased goods whatever we purchased to Swami from Swami we return to Swami. So when we purchase from Swami, Swami is the giver. When we return to Swami, then Swami is the receiver. So here when we purchased from Swami, giver no, that's why credit side. When we return to Swami, then Swami is the receiver. That's why we have to write which side? Debit side. స్వామి లియే జబ్ డెబిట్ అవుతా, స్వామి దియే జబ్ క్రెడిట్ అవుతా. స్వామి తీసుకుంటున్నప్పుడు డెబిట్ అవుతాడు, స్వామి ఇచ్చినప్పుడు క్రెడిట్ అవుతున్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్, క్యాష్ పేడ్ టు స్వామి. హూ పేడ్? వి పేడ్. अपन पेमेंट करे, we paid to Swami. Then Swami is the receiver. We paid to Swami. Swami is the receiver. Receiver means which side? Debit side. Then you can make it a debit. That's all. You can make it a debit. Next, goods purchased from Swami. So here 8th transaction, 24th transaction. Both are same transactions here. No difference in this. So goods purchased from Swami, goods purchased from Swami. Both are same transactions. Same transaction may be repeated. May be repeated, may not be repeated. तो ट्रांजेक्शन सेम का रिपीट हो सकते, रिपीट नहीं भी हो सकते. लेकिन डेट चेंज, 2 बार खरीदना बोल के नहीं है ना, नहीं खरीदना बोल के नहीं है. सो वी कैन परचेज 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times in a month. It's our wish. So here 8th date, here 24th date, or here 16,000, here 9,000. Just transaction is same, but date is change, amount is change, or procedure is same. Procedure is same. So again here we purchase, then he is the giver. We have to write which side? Credit side. Again, Swami's account settled by check. Here settled by check is given. In previous problem, Sudha account settled only given. Settled means we recorded cash there. But here check means what we have read? Bank we have read. How to settle? Let us discuss. Now you see here. Here Swami's account table like this. Same table we have to draw. So debit side and credit side same things. And here date column, particulars column, LF number, debit rupees, date, particulars, LF number, debit. In LF number column, just no need to write anything. So just you draw the format and leave. That's all. Format लिखना, draw करना छोड़ देना, उसमें लिखने का जरूरत कुछ भी नहीं है. Just it is past guarantee program we are to going. Past guarantee program we are working on past guarantee program. That's why. So don't bother about it. Just how I am explaining, just you keep in your mind. Similar way you can do the problem and you will get pass mark. And here Swami account debit and credit. Okay. Now in previous problem, amount to due from is there, no? Amount to due from is there. Due from means which side we recorded? Debit side we recorded. Debit side we recorded. But in this transaction, in this amount of due to is given. Due to means which side? Credit side. Now you see we recorded a balance brought down, credit side we recorded 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees we recorded. Pressure this one. Due from means debit side we recorded in previous problem. Here due to means which side we recorded? Credit side. That is the difference only. Remaining all things are same. Remaining all things are same in this. Due from diye ya due to diye dekhna bas. Due from is given, due to is given. You have to think. డ్యూ ఫ్రమ్ ఇచ్చారా, డ్యూ టు ఇచ్చారా చూసుకోండి అంతే. మిగతా అంతా సేమ్ టు సేమ్. रिसीवर అయితే డెబిట్ సైడ్, గివర్ అయితే క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. रिसीवर అయితే డెబిట్ में लिखना, गिवर అయితే क्रेडिट में लिखना. If it is receiver, debit side. If giver, credit side. Now by balance brought down 2018 January 2nd date is given. Okay. Now here goods purchased from Swami. Swami is the giver. Swami is the giver. We purchased from Swami. Swami is the giver means which side we recorded? Credit side. Already we make a trick, no? Credit is there. So that's why credit side. What we record here? Goods. Goods name is not there. Then what we have to write here? Purchases. So here to write here by purchases account. By purchase account. What is the amount here? 16,000 we record by purchases. Okay. Next, see, goods returned to Swami. We return to Swami. Swami is the receiver again. Debit side here. Receiver means Swami is the receiver, debit. Goods returned. Why should we return? Once we purchase. Those are known as purchase returns. अपन परचेज करें और उसको ही वापस दे रहे, उसको परचेज रिटर्न्स बोलते हैं. सेल करके वापस ले तो सेल्स रिटर्न्स बोलते हैं. सिंपल. Purchase, when purchases are done, if returns are done, purchase returns. If sales are done, when the selling goods are returned, those are known as sales returns. Simple logic. Here, so here returned to Swami. We return to Swami. Then Swami is the receiver. Receiver means which side? Debit side. So debit side, you write purchase returns account. Purchase returns account. What is the amount is given? 5,000 rupees. We have to write 5,000. Simple. Next, here cash paid to Swami. Who paid? We paid. We paid to Swami. Then Swami is the receiver. Receiver means which side? Debit side. Receiver means which side? Debit side. So we have to write a debit side. So that's why here we have to write a debit side. What he received cash should be recorded. Debit side to cash. What is receiving, what is giving. That words only we have to write. Okay. So don't write the name of the Swami, name of the Sudha like that. Name of the person should not be recorded here. So here name of the person we are preparing. The account we are preparing, person on the name of the person. That's why person name should be top of the table, above the table. So here cash account 16,000 we have completed. Now here next one, goods purchased from Swami. Again same thing, 24th and 8th. Both are same things. Both are same things are there. So here goods purchased from Swami. Swami is the giver. Here also goods purchased from Swami. Again it is giver. And that's why we have write here credit side, and giver means credit side by purchases. Again purchases account we have write 9,000 rupees. By purchase 9,000 rupees again. Okay. So here next one. So Swami account settled. Swami account settled with check. Here how many transactions are there? 4. Second 8, 15, 20, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions are there. So you see 5 transactions are we recorded or not here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions are recorded. And again we have to settle. Settle means what here? You have to do same working notes like that only. Previously we did know. So here debit side you see. Debit side 5,000 and 16,000. 16,000. So total is 21,000. 21,000. Now credit side here 12,000. 12,000 and again 16,000 and again 9,000. 9,000. So here debit side total is 21,000. Only these two only we have to write. Whatever transaction we recorded, that only we have to take. And here 3 transactions recorded, 12,000, 16,000, 9,000. So total is how much here? 0. And here 8 plus 9, 17, 37,000. 37,000 are there. So which is more? Credit is more. So credit side 37,000 and debit side is 21,000, and we subtract this amount 6 and 1. 16,000 is the total amount balance due. This was settled. Here question given now. Here Swami's account settled with check is given. Check and 10% discount again. 10% discount means sometimes 5% also given. You have to do 5 by 100 like that only. Here 10% is given. 10% we have to do. So here discount here 16,000 into 10 by 100. 10 by 100, 10%. So 0, 0 cancelled here, and one more zero cancelled. So is equal to 1600. This is the discount. So we recorded here. So which side is less? Credit, debit side is less. Less side we have write discount. In previous problem, credit side is less in Sudha account. That side we recorded. You see here. Here this side is credit side is less amount, here in debit side more amount. So that's why we settled credit side. Less side we have to settle. In this problem here debit side is less, that's why we have to settle this side. So here discount is 1600, we recorded here 1600 rupees, and 1600, and again what is the balance here? 16,000. So 16,000 minus 1600. So then what will come? 0, 0, 0, and here next 10 minus 6, 4, and 5 minus 1, 4, and 1. So 14,400 is the remaining balance is there. So this 14,400 we have to settle, and we have write the word bank here, 14,400. Why should we write here bank here? Settled with check is given. That's why we have to write by bank, to bank, to bank. So settle check तो చేయాలన్నారు కాబట్టి बैंक అనే పదాన్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. सेटल बोल के चेक बोल के दिए, इसलिए अपन को बैंक बोल के लिखना पड़ता है. You see the question? Swami account settled with check. Check means we have to use the word bank. That's why we have written here. We have to write here to bank 14,400. Now both sides big amount should be recorded. Big amount is how much here? 37,000. This 37,000 should be recorded both the sides. Okay. So I hope all of you understood this one, and you can watch continuously 2-3 times. Then you can understand very easily. Very simple way, simple method this is, and you can understand very easily. 2-3 times you can watch continuously, and then only you can understand very easily. I hope all of you understood. Then you take screenshot of this. Friends, I hope all of you understood very well, and for more videos all of you watch my channel and like, subscribe and share, and I will upload more videos of 10 marks problems and 20 marks problem. Okay, please watch my videos, and all of you get pass marks very easily. Thank you.